Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn on double tap to turn off the screen in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, lock your screen or in the locked screen, locked interface on blank area. If you double tap on the blank area, phone screen should be turned off, but here it is not turned off, okay, because the settings is not yet done. Okay, so if you would like to turn on, double tap to turn off the screen, that is to turn off your screen, instead of using the side button, just you can double tap on the screen so that phone screen will be turned off. Okay, so you have to do some settings in your phone. For that, first go to the settings of your phone here, then go to shortcuts and accessibility, and go to smart motion, then go to smart screen on off, and here just turn on this button, double tap to turn off. So now you can double tap the blank area on the illuminated and locked interface or standby interface to turn off the screen. Now this is standby interface, and I have to double tap on blank area here. Okay, not on app or anything. Okay, just double tap on the blank area and phone screen will be turned off. Okay, see here. Double tap to turn off the screen. Okay, see here. Yes, once again I am showing. See here. Also in the locked screen, this is locked interface, and if you double tap on the locked interface, phone screen will turn off. Okay, so in this way you can easily activate or turn on, double tap to turn off the screen in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.